Okay, so in this video, I'm just going to show you how to run a Kruskal Wallis and then just look at some of the output. So here we are looking at the sperm count. I know, again, Andy uses some very interesting examples, but he's looking at the sperm count given the amount of soy meals that are consumed. So we're going to go up here to, you'll notice that here's my 4 different groups, and this is a Kruskal Wallis, right? Because we said that there's more than 2 groups. So if I clicked on this A and 1, no soy meals, 1 soy meal, 4, and then there's 7. So you can see what those variables, or those ones represent. So for now, we're going to go up here, we're going to go to Analyze, we're going to go down to Non-Parametric, we're going to go to Independent Samples, because we've got more than 2. We can go here to the Fields, all right, and we're looking at sperm count, and then we're looking at the number of soy meals, that's our groups. So we're going to run this. Okay, so up here you can see that it's telling us that there is a significant difference between the different groups on the sperm count. So we're going to scroll down a little bit here. So we've got no soy meals, 1 soy, 4, and 7 soy meals. We're going to scroll down a little bit more, and we're going to do what's called pairwise comparisons. So we're going to look at the pairwise comparisons model. You will notice that it's very tempting to look at the significance column and say, oh, these are significant. However, because we are running a non-parametric and we're running multiple comparisons against each other, we have to account for that. So you have to look at the adjusted significance column. And so when you look at the adjusted significance column, you're going to find that there's no significant difference between 7 soy meals and 1 soy meal, 7 soy meals and 4 soy meals. All right, so that's how you interpret that adjusted significance. The other thing that Andy talks about when you're looking at your interpretation, this is just a graphic representation here of the pairwise comparisons. And so if these lines were a different color, it would indicate that there's significant difference. So as you can see, all of these lines are the same color, and this is confirmed by looking at our adjusted significance. So it doesn't matter how many soy meals are consumed, the sperm count in essence is the same.